It's a dangerous day to be out in the cold without being dressed properly. So on this Veterans Day, a group of employees at ECMC Group in downtown Minneapolis filled as many as 250 cold weather survival kits for homeless veterans. It was a small but meaningful way to give back. And as Ellen Gallus tells us, for many of them, this was personal.
Everybody deserves to be warm, especially in this cold climate.
Hats, gloves, wool socks.
I'm doing shampoo and conditioner.
Anything to help survive a cold Minnesota night.
I felt bad that people need this, that there's veterans out there, it is 15 degrees out there, and they need this stuff today.
A group of employees from ECMC Group in downtown Minneapolis spent part of Veterans Day packaging up cold weather survival kits for homeless veterans. For some of them, this project is especially personal.
I'm a veteran, and I have a lot of veterans in my family.
I am a military mom.
My dad was Navy, and he was on the LST 41.
These care packages include more than 3,700 donated items, as well as a personal, handwritten thank you note. And on this day designated to honor our veterans, these volunteers say they are more than happy to help, but are also sad that there's a need for it.
They've given us everything so we could have a nice life, and it's tragic that they don't have the basic needs that they should.
They're away from their families for many, many years. They're in foreign lands. They're putting themselves out there in danger in the trenches every single day. Keep that in mind. If no other time, do it on Veterans Day, because they really, really do sacrifice a lot for you.
Now, according to the Minnesota Department of Veterans Affairs, at last count, there were more than 317 veterans experiencing homelessness right here in Minnesota. Reporting in Minneapolis, Ellen Gallus, 5 Eyewitness News.